Hello, this is Katie with Homeschool Chat, and today we are going to talk about why you should homeschool. We're going to look at the advantages and the disadvantages of homeschooling. So let's begin. The advantages of homeschooling are knowing what your child is learning. There's no surprises, you know. Being able to teach the way your child learns best is another advantage. Children learn in different ways, and you know your child best, so you know which ways your child learns the best. One of the other advantages is being aware of all your child's social strengths and weaknesses. And because of that, you can make your child better. You can make your child's weaknesses better by putting your child just very incrementally in those positions so that your child becomes more confident in those areas, and then you can help your child to shine in their areas where they have their strengths. Another advantage is being able to take advantage of opportunities you would have passed up when your child was in public school. These include things like going to visit grandma, field trips, as many as you want, because you're the teacher. And if you think that going to the zoo is a good thing to do for a science field trip, then you can do that. Also, for PE, you could go hike a trail instead of calisthenics in the gym. Now, the disadvantages of homeschooling. Homeschooling will become your main hobby and your main job, probably. You will do that more than anything else. You have the responsibility of schooling your child, and so that's going to be a thing. Yearly testing is required in Washington State. I don't know what's required in the other 50 or 49 states, but for Washington State, yearly testing is required. So you have to research out vendors that do that. Making syllabuses, making lesson plans, grading papers, making report cards, finding out federal and state requirements for homeschoolers. Usually that's pretty straightforward. You just look on a .gov page online, and if you search on Google, of course, Google is really good at finding answers to your questions. Make sure it's a very reliable source, though. Making sure that your child, these are the disadvantages. Making sure that your child is learning at grade level, that becomes your responsibility. So that's the disadvantage of homeschooling. And you will be with your child a whole lot more with less child breaks. So if those disadvantages don't bother you at all, and the advantages outweigh the disadvantages, you probably can think of more advantages and possibly even more disadvantages. But that's just to get you thinking, is homeschooling for me? For myself, homeschooling was the perfect solution, and I feel like my children really gained a lot by that, and also a lot of freedoms. So thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed day.